Sir, a follow-on is when you say you are currently trading 12 exchanges, tomorrow you want to trade any and every exchange out there which provides you liquidity. What does it really take to trade or connect with an exchange? Do you need a certain kind of low latency execution infrastructure? Do you need co-location? What is it that you need? What is the time taken to connect with an exchange, or what is the cost involved? How easy or difficult is all this?
Uh, it's tough. It's tough. See, it journey starts with we first buying data. See, for us, if in any exchange that we do, we first buy data of that exchange. And typically, most of these global exchanges, the frequency at which we buy like the granular data, like level 3 data, tick by tick data, second by second data. These cost us thousands of dollars, or I'll say hundred thousands of dollars to just buy data first. And once we buy the data, we put it in our research machine, in our research platform. We give it access to our researchers, and they try different alphas on them. Some which we are running similar to other markets, something which they believe might work more in this exchange because of its own microstructures. And once the research happens, and we believe there's a certain merit in taking this exchange to a production environment, then parallelly my technology team, while the research models go for out of sample testing, our technology team start building a low latency infrastructure to connect to those exchanges, so that in whatever data we consume in our batch testing, which is like a nanosecond data, we can get the research models or our production models get the same data. Typically, this entire cycle in some exchanges cost us at times $1 million as well.
Wow.
To just add an exchange. But we believe that it's a worth it investment, because over a period of 10 years, 20 years, this exchanges that we are adding can give us much higher returns and gives much better Sharpe ratio or consistent return to our investors. And on another line, what we truly believe is we want to be an Indian origin run by Indian guys, but playing global game. And we want to make sure that we give our Indian investors access to this global game as well, where they feel proud, okay, my money is operating not only on Indian exchange, my money is operating on hundreds of exchanges. And any opportunity existing in hundreds of exchanges, this is the fund which will help me capture that. And obviously it's expensive, obviously it's take a lot from our balance sheet, but we are in this to build for long term. We are in this build to something which can challenge, or for the matter, if you ask me, right, Millennium today runs an $80 billion fund. I don't think even 0.001% of that is from Indian investors, right? It's probably from the best Sharpe ratio fund out there, right? Some of the Indians are not getting access to these funds. And we think Gift City, the initiative taken by central government to set up Gift City, will change that. The talent available in India will change that. And we believe there's a crazy ride in front of us. A lot of AUM, a lot of demand, but a lot of complexity and a lot of hard work at our level as well. But we want to get there. We want to get there to 100 exchanges, provide so many Indian investors sitting in India or maybe sitting outside India access to these exchanges. At the firm level, at the company level, believe this gives us competitive moat as well. Tomorrow someone wants to copy us. It's not easy, because 100 exchanges is not easy for anyone to copy and emulate. So it's a tough journey, but we are in this to do that.
I think the key takeaway for our clients/investors is, firstly, I think we need to thank SEBI, IFSC, and the Indian government for setting up Gift City and for allowing asset managers like 26 Miles Capital to roll out AIF, which are based out of Gift City, which are essentially dollar denominated vehicles, where essentially it has allowed to democratize opportunities to trade globally, which were otherwise available only to, let's say, ultra high net worth individuals or institutions or family offices, through this vehicle. And because of asset managers like 26 Miles Capital, we've been able to democratize it to even individuals who can invest with a minimum ticket size of $150,000 US.